What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. Lakeith buys houses and land. So today, I'm standing outside a new project that I just got out here in Carrolton, Texas. It's a fire damage property. So I want you guys to check it out with me and see what all I'm gonna do and see how a real fire damage property looks from me, Lakeith. So let me get it off me and turn around. So right here, we got the electrical panel. It's been fried, dyed, and laid to the side. As you see, it's all charred up here, everything up here at the top, all throughout the house is all burned down, but I like it like that. This is the garage, just so you know. So as we walk through the garage, as you come through here, you'll go right, and that's the master bathroom over there, just so y'all know, ladies and gentlemen. But as you come in here, you come in the house, you got the kitchen. Turn right here, the kitchen. Now it's all burned up. It got extra crispy in here. I don't know what was going on, but you see the refrigerator, you see the stove, you see the microwave melting, you see the cabinets, all that is all toasty. Here's the door outside, to go outside, the patio door right here is all crisp, burned up. You see all this right here? It's all charred up. Just so you know, if you don't, Lakeith, that's me. I buy fire damage property. So if you got a deal, let's make it real. Get in contact with me any way you can. Oh, I got a number. Area code 214-956-4289. So if you have a deal, if you're a wholesaler, please get in contact with me because as you see, I do buy fire damage properties. So let's continue with the tour. You come in here in the kitchen and the living room. Now this is where it gets actually pretty good. So you see the carpet is coming up, all this padding is gonna come up, this old wood panel, but if you look around, it's not really bad. You see the ceiling right there, that's not burned, that's actually soot, like you see from a candle. Let's go over here to the master bedroom, and you see they had pictures on the wall right here, and the smoke just went over the pictures, but as you come in here inside the master bedroom, you see all this debris on the ground. We're gonna clean all that up. We're gonna replace all this, make a right in here is the master bathroom. So as you come in here, you see it's filthy, right? That linoleum on the floor. Look at the toilet. Check this toilet out. See that? Right over that. Looks bad, right? I'm gonna make it look real good. I got this house for $187,000. It's a 3-bedroom. This is one of them. 2 bath, this is one of them, and a 2-car garage. That's the garage right there. Check out this bathroom countertop. Now you see all the toiletries. You can actually, they're not here, but they look like they were here. Still see prints from them. You see this comb? Let you know if I wanted to keep this and paint over this, I could. So that's a tip to keep in mind when you're looking at fire damage properties, because a lot of time you hear that word fire damage property and you think to yourself, oh, it's gonna be really bad, but it's not as bad as you think it is. So as we come over here from the master bedroom on the other side of the house to the den, you see this over here, the front door is right there. Go right in here to bedroom number 2. Soot. See, it's not even burned. It's not bad at all. All of this right here, look at the ceiling. See that popcorn ceiling? Just soot, like a candle, just put out and smoke everywhere. That's really all it is. So it doesn't smell that bad in here. It smells a little bit like smoke, but not too much. We got a door open, but we're gonna take the roof off here soon, next week, and I'm gonna make sure you guys see that too. This is bathroom number 2. So as you walk in, you see this towel. I'm gonna get real close up to this towel. It's not burned, it's just dirty. You just gotta be clean. That's it. It just needs a real good cleaning. Same thing with the countertop. Same thing with the paint. Same thing with everything. Let's go in bedroom number 3. As you walk in here, got the windows boarded up because they need to be replaced. But again, look at the walls. It's not as bad as it looks. It's just soot. So if you don't know, I'm letting you know again, Lakeith, that's me. I buy fire damage properties. I do have a number, area code 214-956-4289. All wholesalers. Like, I don't just buy burnt homes. I buy land and dilapidated homes as well. So any deals that you have, please get in contact with me because I will purchase your deal. Thank you. Let's go right out here to the living room. to the front door. And it's boarded up from the outside, so we're not gonna go out there towards the back. But basically, I'll cut this video and edit it. Matter of fact, let's just keep going. Let's keep going. This is the dining room. Oh, here the laundry room right here. It's all crispy. We're gonna put some doors here, change this up, put some new cabinetry in here. I actually need to change the electrical as I keep it moving. Let's go to the backyard. We're going through the garage. Excuse me, fellas. Watch our step because there's some nails out here. So we go through the backyard. You see the fence. Fence got a little charred a little bit, so we're gonna replace some planks on the fence line. There's also a lot of landscaping that needs to be done to this house right here. So we'll make sure we get the landscapers out here, put some sod down, put everything down, make it look real good. Here's that exit to that patio I was talking about from the kitchen. It looks terrible right now, right? Yeah, I know it. But guess what? It doesn't scare me. This is the reason why you get the deals the way you get them, as cheap as you get them, because of situations like this. So a word to all wholesalers, I do buy houses that are dilapidated, fire damaged properties. You should too, because this is where the bigger spread is. Don't be afraid of them, man. I got a course, it's out. It's called House Money. I'll put it in the link in the video description at the bottom. Also, all wholesalers, please get in contact with me. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you do. Follow me, Lakeith, fire damage property in Carrolton. I buy houses and land. Thank you.